San Fran.
We are in San Francisco. Yes, so just me and Chelsea. Ian is at home and we're taking our spring break. First day of spring. First ako guys pila di man ako guys pila di ay. So tour you around. I hope I won't get lazy. I'm gonna vlog if she vlog. See you later. Bye. Hey bro! Right now, after the Pier 39, we are now in Madame's I don't know wax museum. Yeah, it's a wax. And we're seeing all these cool things, real life stuff. Yeah, and we almost forgot something. Yes, something very, very important, you know? We'll explain that later. I left it on the table. Good thing no one took it. It's the camera. You wanna meet my dad? Yeah. Look, that's my legs. What the heck? That's my legs. That's mine. How do you pronounce this word? Coitel. It's silent letter. Wow. Teacher. I'm about to take my... What is this called? I'm about to take my mugshot, y'all. I did some really, really bad things. I'm sorry, Mom. Stay tuned. I'm going to jail. Odyssey Lavasarum has got arrested for being late for work. For always being late to everything. She's serving 10 years in jail, no bail, and she's happy about that. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for asking me how my day went. Yeah. I miss you. Yeah. Mrs. President?
What can I do for you?
Can I have $1 million?
Sure, I'll double that.
Wow! Okay. Hey man, what's up? Thanks for making the greatest iPhone. You know, the sea, you know? I finally found my husband. Smile! So this is the lady who created this whole wax museum. And she started in 1761. And this is how she made it. Oh my god. What can you say about Madame Tussauds Wax Museum?
10 out of 10. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Alright, so we're now boarding at the cable car.
So earlier we waited over an hour to board the cable car, but then something happened. It broke down. Something like a line on the ground. We weren't able to board. So in order for us to come to Fisherman's Wharf, took Lyft instead. We had a problem with the Lyft. He made us chase after him like we're dogs. We had to run. I don't run. But then we actually had a great day. And then a little bit of traffic coming in the city. But it's all good. We're heading to Tesalogs. It's like the Filipino food. And eat dinner. And then check in at the hotel. So, see you guys later. Hey, we're in the cable car.
Chelsea.
This is fun.
We waiting for you holding the show up.
Alright, so we're checked in our hotel room. This is our bedroom. It's 2 queen bed. I love the chandelier and the high ceiling along with the crown molding. That's just perfection. And then we have the TV right there, the dresser, there's that lamp, there's this thing, I don't know how you call this, vanity area. And then here is the bathroom. I love how it's very bright. We have the toilet, towels, hello, and the bathtub. Alright, let's wrap up. So today's day 1. Tomorrow we will be in Golden Gate, San Fran Golden Gate.
Oh yeah, we're in San Fran.
The Golden Gate. So see you guys tomorrow for another day. Bye.
Madam, good morning. Where are we?
The line is long, meaning the food is good. It's the eggplant savory crepe with fruit cup. What do you have, Chels?
I have the poached street with potatoes and sourdough.
Okay, let's dig in. Let me share something. The Golden Gate Bridge, I used to just see this in a notebook. In the Philippines, there's a notebook. The brand is, not the brand, the cover page. Where is that right there? The cover page is the Golden Gate Bridge, and it's red or gold or something. And now I'm here, I'm seeing it in real life. I'm so happy, I'm so happy. I wish Ian's here to experience this with me, but nonetheless, I'm happy too because I got Chelsea. Yeah, she's...
Guys, thank you for staying tuned in our vlog. If you like this video, comment down below, subscribe to their YouTube channel, and if you want a tour in San Francisco, hit me up and pay for my plane ticket.
Yes, she's my tour guide. She's a great tour guide, very patient.
I could die in your arms, then I'd be peaceful for once.
You know, I only see this in notebook. I'm repeating myself again, no? Yeah, makalipay lang ba kay sa una mukura ni karon ani lagi ko nakita lagi ko sa iya. So I'm very emotional and thankful.
Yeah, I wish you're hearing it so we can both see it at the same time. So we are done at the Golden Gate Bridge. We are now at the Palace of Fine Arts. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Oh, sorry. I'll show you. I'll show you. Oh, oh wow.
But yeah, it's really beautiful. It's starting to rain harder and it looks like snow, but it's not. And it's gonna be hard for us to vlog more of it because of how rainy it's getting and the camera's gonna get wet and Kuya Ayan will get mad at us. But
we'll show you a montage.
yeah, we'll show you a montage real quick. PRB.
We are checking again in our second hotel. Nice view. Construction.
It is currently 2:32 p.m. We just finished seeing many sights of San Francisco, like the Golden Gate Bridge, the Painted Ladies, the Palace of Fine Arts, and all of that. And now we're ready to take a nap because we've been up since 6 a.m. getting ready. We left the hotel at 9 o'clock. We ate breakfast. And now we're gonna take a short rest. Then we're probably gonna go out later.
Yeah, so we had fun today. The weather wasn't very cooperative.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It wasn't cooperating with us because we...
Yeah, we were soaking wet.
We're so wet.
But yeah, we'll talk to you guys later. We're going to rest for now. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye! Alcatraz Island. So I think this is just going to circle around the island. Yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so happy to be able to experience this. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm very happy. Right there, that's the bridge. That's the bridge. You know, I used to just see this in a notebook or in a postcard, and now I'm able to experience it. I'm so blessed. I wish though Ian is here, but I don't know if you can hear me, but yes, I'm happy. we're gonna hang. We're in a cable car again.
$7.
For the second time.
For the second time.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We are now at the Amtrak station in Emeryville, heading to Sacramento.
Oh, there you go. Yeah.
That's the
Okay, so
Marion Berry
this is
with
my
cheese.
this is our
Good with
uncle,
cheese.
Uncle Ray. Okay, he's showing us his place.
Huh?
Wow, the throne. Look at this. He doesn't want me to take it off.
This is how his place looks like. He's a priest at St. Joseph. Sorry, I keep saying St. Joseph. It's St. James Catholic Church in Davis.
Like it?
Yes. Yeah, wow. Entering in the hallway, he has this formal living room.
The glass.
Oh yeah? That's good. What? So does this produce heat?
May gas at tapos mag-reflect ang siga. Ito, yeah.
Wow, huh? First time ko kita ginani ba eh. Whoa! Whoa! Scary. Sorry, but that's cool! Aninduta, oy! Look at that.
No more mess from the ashes.
I know!
Yeah.
Hala, natsada siya.
Remember there was lighting before? So I have the calamansi over there.
Oh, so mauna ang church.
No, church over there.
Oh,
Down hall there, hall. See that now?
Oh. How long have you been here?
3 years.
Interview time. Walay battery.
Interview time.
Look at that table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12 seater.
This is another room here, Jake. So this is my assistant room.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah. So this is another spare that I need to.
Oh yeah, this is the dorm room.
I'll give you the key from the car.
That's him.
I'll get it from the car. Okay, hold on.
Okay.
Oh, his room is the one that you can see in the car. Oh, the entrance.
Hi. We just got a new church. The officiating priest is our uncle, Father Ray.
Percival.
Inside the church now, trying to have a moment with Our Lady of Guadalupe. Yeah, that's Guadalupe. Her feast day, if I remember right, is December 12th. Every December 12th. Oh, our plans, we're gonna wait for him to finish his Spanish Mass at 1 p.m. He said it will be quick. And then after that, we will head out for late lunch, I think.
Yeah, lunch and then surui.
Yes, no.
Laag. Okay, we're gonna do an outfit of the day. So today, here's Odyssey. She is wearing
A denim jacket.
no. Yeah. Denim.
Denim jacket with a dress I got from
So yeah,
Forever 21.
how about the
The
denim?
denim jacket, I got it at Ross, my favorite store.
Glasses.
Dress for less. Forever 21. And then this is a new shoe I got from Converse. It's kid size 3, $35.
Wow, $35.
And my backpack that's
Is
already
Buslook.
broke.
Yet, we need a new one yet.
I need a new.
My outfit today is Ross. What is this?
Ross.
Old Navy.
Oh, Old Navy.
Old Navy. And then Old Navy. And then Old Navy. Sponsor me!
Yeah, but can you show your guba nga kwan? Sandal.
Oh yeah, look at that.
It's broken.
Mom, I need a new one.
Napaisa.
Oh, yeah.
Mas grabe na.
I need a new one, Mom. And
Mine,
hers one is brand new.
mine's is brand new.
I have the master key.
Ready to go?
Yes.
Into his room. Ready? Let's go. Here. Let's go.
Oh, hello.
So my name is Pogi. This is where we're going. I'm going to this one right here.
He toured us around University of California, Davis.
Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to the old city of Sacramento. The current is strong because of the snow melting.
Oh, what is this? Aztec?
This is the money building.
The money building?
Remember at the back of the money there's a pyramid?
Yeah. Oh.
The money building.
Here's the a part-time mermaid.
Thank you.
Too cute to be grabby. We told the people that we wanted the waterfront table because it was our first time. Thank you.
You make your husband inggit, huh?
Yes.
You can
Well, he told me to vlog and take a video of everything. Good morning, everyone. Today is our third day in.
Our last full day, but
last
third
full
day.
in Sacramento.
Yeah.
We are waiting for this restaurant to open for lunch.
China buffet.
Yes, buffet. And buffet.
Buffet.
And then after this, we're gonna head to
Napa Valley.
Napa Valley.
Hello. Hi.
That's our tour guide.
I am the tour guide here in Sacramento. This is a nice, beautiful day. The sun is out. Yesterday was raining.
Parang nagre-report lang.
Weather report.
Stay tuned because there will be more updates as we are headed to Napa Valley, the wine country, capital of the United States.
I spent endless waking hours at the bottom of the ocean. Senseless, overpowered by rogue waves and rogue emotion. And I was far out drifting north, but I can feel myself get closer.
Look at that view. Anything words? Any wise words today?
Don't forget to pray.
Wow.
Yeah. Jesus is the answer of our problems.
I like it. It's so nice. It's amazingly beautiful.
This is our backyard.
Welcome to my crib. It's very stiff.
Very stiff. That's recorded already.
It's very stiff. Oh, get down.
And probably would love this place, huh?
Yes, Father. Watch. His words will be one day, isang araw may nakita ko.
This is what I like, you know, when I retire, I should have something.
Yeah, when you retire.
So is this there?
We'll buy a boat. We'll
Make
buy.
sure all of us
Wait,
has
so
rooms
do
there.
they have a boat?
I think they have a boat.
Which one is this?
Yeah, they can do that.
Is that the paddling one?
Yes.
Can we do that?
Very nice. Oh my God.
Oh my.
Thank you for showing us around, Father.
Oh no. I love it here. Please don't fall.
I love it here. I love it.
Yeah.
Net,
This
this is it.
house.
This is our future. No. Remember that. Even I declare one day.
Someday.
One day,
You're
isang
gonna
araw ay so
realize.
nakita ko.
Two
One.
different songs.
It's a mashup, you know?
Thank you all for joining us today. More
See
to
you
come
later.
later on.
Are you sure you're recording?
He is.
Yes, Bash.
Oh, yes, Bash.
Yes.
Okay, peace out, Bash.
Okay, closing.
Okay, that's it. So
And then transition.
Losing every song and game too. I'm choosing again, and I've been losing time and sleep to the likes of you. I'm choosing.